Welcome to the spectacular area of crocodile. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Lens Capture. While moving along, we arrived at the banks of Brahmani river and explored many wild fruits, mangrove forest and many more. After crossing 52 kilometers, we reached at the main gate of Bhitarkanika National Park, which is situated at Kendrapada district of Odisha. After walking a bit further, we saw the famous white crocodile Gori and two large crocodiles, which were sunbasking at that time. Then we went to the museum where we saw the largest skeleton of crocodile, and then we enjoyed our boat ride. Bhitarkanika National Park is a 145 square kilometer large national park. It was designated on 16 September 1998 and obtained the status of Ramsar site on 19 August 2002. It was surrounded by Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary, which spreads over 672 square kilometers. The national park and wildlife sanctuary is covered by the river Brahmani, Baitarani, Dhamra and Patshala. While traveling, first we caught many tiny baby crocodiles. That massive crocodile was approaching us aggressively. But it was all like the croc's deer. He was just protecting his territory. Then we saw a huge one. These are all about the apex predators. After seeing these lovely deers, the thought came to my mind is how the food web is well organized and precise. The magic of nature and fresh air rejuvenated us. And it's time to get back. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe.